The big discussion between raw and cooked is kind of what's really better for the animal. And I think in general for young, hot, active pets, raw is a great solution. For older animals, it's well documented in humans as well as in dogs that as we age, our digestive enzyme function goes down considerably. And so if we're feeding raw foods, they may not be able to utilize all the nutrients that are available simply because they don't have the ability to break them down properly. Versus if we present them a cooked diet, while we may be starting off with 30% of the nutritional value of a raw diet, if they can utilize 80% of that, then they may be in much better shape nutritionally than feeding a raw diet. So I think it's that there's not a one-size-fits-all thing here. You have to really look at each animal and each person and decide what's best based on their health history.